Hello 4th class students, my name is Jagpreet Kaur and today I will teach you chapter number 7, that is noun gender. Okay, so today we will do noun gender. As you know what is noun? Noun is a name of person, place or thing. Now there is a gender. Gender we have divided into 4 parts. Masculine, okay, then feminine, neuter and common gender. Now first of all we will discuss this masculine gender. A noun that is the name of male person or animal is called masculine gender. Like masculine gender, boy, Ravi, bull, dog. All these will come under masculine gender. Okay, so next is feminine gender. Feminine gender, a noun that is the name of any female person or animal. Like Anita, woman, girl, cow. These will come under feminine because they are the names of female person or animal. Now next is next type is neuter gender. A noun that is the name of lifeless person is called neuter gender. Now lifeless person is like this pen, board, it is also lifeless, and wood, we can say these lights, camera. Okay, all these are lifeless things. So this will come under neuter gender. Now the next is common gender. Common gender, a noun that is the name of person or animal, or either it can be used for male or we can say masculine as well as feminine. Now there is the example of parents. Parents is a common gender. Parent will be, if masculine, then it will be our father. If I am talking about feminine parent, means female parent, then it will be mother. Now it is clear. Common gender is parent. It will used both for masculine and feminine. If we are talking about masculine, then it will be our father. If feminine, then it will be our mother. Here is next example. Siblings. Sibling means brother or sister. If I am talking about masculine, then it will be our brother. Feminine, then it will be my sister. Now it is clear. Common gender, parent will be father or mother. If I am talking about masculine, then it will be my father. If I am talking about feminine, then it will be my mother. Now second example was sibling. Sibling we use for brother as well as sister. If I am talking about masculine gender, then it will be my brother. If I am talking about feminine, then it will be my sister. Now there is a 3 ways of forming or changing gender. First is, I am writing over here masculine and feminine. Masculine for male, feminine for female. Okay. Now there are some genders. If I write over here boy, then its opposite gender or feminine gender will be girl. Okay. Then father, its feminine will be mother. If I write over here, let's say bull, its opposite gender will be cow. Now in this rule, there will be another word for the feminine gender of the masculine gender. Now there is second. Sometimes we just add ESS to masculine gender to form feminine. Gender. Okay. Like if I write author, author is the masculine gender. Then in feminine gender it will be authoress. Okay. Then if I write host, then its feminine gender will be hostess. We are just adding ESS to masculine gender, then it will become our feminine gender. Here I have written host. I just simply add ESS, then it will become my feminine gender. Okay. Now there is a third rule. If I add ESS or there is a vowel there, then vowel will be deleted. Like this example, here I have written actor, it will look like actress. I will drop or delete O in the feminine or simply add ESS to make it masculine, feminine. Okay. Now another example, tiger. As we know, this is the masculine gender. If I want to convert this feminine, I will simply add tigress. And here you will ask me, you simply add ESS, but there E is, I have dropped this E or delete this E, so add ESS, so it will become my tigress. Okay. Now another example, prince. Prince is the feminine gender, masculine gender. I will write princess. Okay. Here one E is deleted, so I add this E double S. Okay, I have deleted this E and add E double S to the princess to make it feminine gender. Another rule of making feminine is, some feminine nouns are formed by replacing a word before or after their masculine, like grand, father, land, lord, cook. In this feminine, if I want to masculine, I want to change it into the feminine, I will write grand. On the space of father, I will write grandmother. Here it was grandfather and its opposite gender will be grandmother. Grandfather will remain same. I have written mother in the space of father. Now next was landlord. So what will be the feminine of this? Land lady. Okay, in the space of lord I have written lady. Next is peacock. It will like hen. So I have changed only this to make it feminine. Okay. Now there is another example. If I write Billy caught, so what will be the feminine of this? It will be nanny caught. God will remain same. I have written nanny in the space of Billy. Now there is a common word for some animals or special word for their male or female. Now if I write in a previous example parents, it masculine will be father, feminine will be mother. Now B. Okay, masculine will be drawn, female of male of the B will be drawn, and feminine will be queen bee. Queen bee. Now if I talk about cattle, it can be masculine as well as feminine. So masculine will be bull and feminine will be cow. Now I hope that all the 4 types of the gender, that is masculine, feminine, common and neuter, all are clear to you. Thank you.